just came from an adventure. I was up on top of Mauna Loa. And I bet you guys already know it snows up there. But a fun fact might be, did you know what Mauna Loa means? It means long mountain. I didn't know that. So maybe you might have learned something. Or maybe you already knew. But I see that you're here, so let's get busy. All right, I'm going to find my desk. Here it is. And I have my supplies. And I heard that you guys had a hard time of hearing us. So we're going to try this microphone because we want you to be able to hear us. So here I have its writing supplies, and we are going to start with the letter M. I thought maybe you might think I was going to start with A, but M is a very popular letter, and it makes lots of words. So let's start with the letter M. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure my feet are flat. My hand is on my paper, just like Weston. I saw Weston had his hand, he was doing his handwriting, and his hand was right here. So here's my name, Miss Becky. So you always want to make sure that you put your name on your paper. And we're going to start with the uppercase M, and we're going to start at the top, and we're going to pull down. I'm going to pick up my pencil, and there's my slanted line. I'm going to practice my uppercase M. And then I'm going to move to a lowercase m. There's a dot right there to help you. So you're just going to do this, and I call these round mountains. And then over here is more. And you're just going to go all the way across. Do you notice the space? We want to concentrate on making some spaces in between. And here's the lowercase m. So I'm just going to practice, practice, practice. I'm going to go all the way across. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to find all the letter M's. Uppercase M, lowercase m, lowercase m, uppercase m. And then you can finish. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my crayons out and I'm going to pick some crayons. I'm going to use maybe 3 crayons. You can use as many as you want. And I'm going to color in and I'm going to cut out the pictures that start with the letter M. And that sound is like Missy Mouse. So this is match. So I'm going to color this. I'm going to do a faster job than probably you will, just because we want to move on. And this is the letter 10. No, that's not M. And this is mushroom. Mushroom. So I'm going to color this. And then you know how to color, so I'm not going to finish that coloring. And this is alligator. No. This is horse. Horse. No. This is a magnet. Yes, I hear the letter M. So I'm going to color this. And then I'd like to color the rest of that. And then the next one is mouse. Mouse. Yes, that's the letter M. And then the last one is fence. No. Then I'm going to cut these out. And I'm going to cut on the dotted line all the way across. And you guys know how to cut. Maybe your parents can help you. You always want your thumb up on top, the sky, and your fingers down below. And then I'm going to cut all these out, the match, the mushrooms, the magnet, and the mouse. And then I'm going to glue them here. So your paper will look like this when you're done. Okay, now we have one more M page, and I think you guys know how to do that because we just practiced the letter M. So put your name up on top and practice, and look, you have arrows and numbers. So go ahead and practice uppercase M, and then you're going to do it all by yourself. So don't forget your finger space, because we always like to put finger space. So your fingers are a little bit bigger than mine, so if I were you, I would do 2 fingers. And then you're going to practice your lowercase m, and then you're going to do it all by yourself. And remember, use your top line and your midline. And then you're going to do words. Make, me, my, must, must. That's all for now. Thank you.